Hello and welcome to That's the Point. We're here for you and more specifically to ensure that you get max benefit from your construction tech. My name is Corey Meyer and today we're going to cover one of those if you know topics. And today we're talking about how to upgrade or downgrade your FieldLink software to a different version. Now, totally understood, this is one of those topics that really only applies to a specific moment, but we all know that these moments come at the worst possible time. So bookmark this page, be a hero. You might have to come back to it later. So we're not going to only talk about upgrades, which is pretty easy actually in FieldLink, but we're also going to talk about downgrades as well. So let's jump into it and talk about how to get up to the latest version and back to a previous version if that's what you need to do. All right, so let's jump into the tablet now, and we'll start with upgrades, and then we'll cover downgrades. So when we're upgrading, the first thing there, the most common question is normally, what version are you running, or to verify. And while we have FieldLink open, the easiest way to get that is just to go to the More, and then go to About, and it'll say the version right now. And in this particular tablet, we are running 6.2, so we have a bunch of upgrades that we can go through, which is perfect for this example. So we have 6.2. So we want to upgrade to the latest version, which today is 6.7 as of this video. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and quit out. So we're going to quit FieldLink, and instead we're going to open up Trimble Installation Manager. And Trimble Installation Manager will open, it'll go out to the internets, and it will grab the latest versions that are available. Now, once these pop up, all we have to do is we can then select the version we want to install, which in this case, we want to install the latest version, which is going to be 6.7, so we'll say latest release. It'll get the list of updates. And just as best practice, we like to install the user guide and the release notes as well, so we have those offline when we're in the field, and we simply tap install. Okay, so now it's come up to a couple FieldLink setup menus, so we're just going to click on next, we're going to accept the terms of the agreement, and we're going to install. Now, sometimes this install process can take 5 to 10 minutes, maybe 15. It just depends on the update. Sometimes it installs some other things to make sure that your tablet's all up to speed. So just be patient with it, let it go through, give it plenty of time to get done, and it'll let us know. And there we go. Through the magic of editing, it's completed. We're going to tap finish. It's going to finish downloading the user guide, the release notes as we ask it to. And there we go. Tells us our device is up to date and ready to use. We can just tap finish. And now we can go right back into FieldLink and begin our work in 6.7. So now that we've upgraded it, we have the opportunity now to downgrade. And there could be any number of reasons why you want to downgrade. Maybe the office is providing files. You need to be in an older version. Any number of reasons. Maybe support asks you to downgrade for some reason. This is not an issue, it's just a slightly different process to get back down to that older version. So what we want to do is we're actually going to go to the Start menu, and we're actually going to go to the Search, and we're going to type in the search panel, we are going to type Add, and so it's going to bring up Add or Remove Program. So we're just going to tap on that, and we're going to scroll down to FieldLink. We're going to tap FieldLink, and we are simply going to uninstall all of the FieldLink files. Say, do you want to allow this app to make changes? Say yes. And we want to make sure that we remove all FieldLink and all of its components. So we're going to tap yes. It'll tell us that FieldLink was successfully removed. Now we can go back to Trimble Installation Manager. And in this case, we can go right back now to 6.2, and we have effectively downgraded. So we can just pull the menu down. We could select 6.2. Select the components that we want to install. Tap Install. FieldLink setup comes up. We accept the terms, and we're off and running. There we go, just tap finish. And Our device is complete, it's updated, and we are now running 6.2, so we've effectively downgraded back to 6.2. And so, as you can see, whether you're upgrading or downgrading your FieldLink installation, this method will ensure that you successfully make it to your desired version. And of course, if you have any questions or unexpected issues, just reach out directly to your local Building Point support team, and they'll be happy to give a hand. And also, don't forget to smash the subscribe button to ensure that you stay up to date with the latest tips, tricks, and pointers. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on That's the Point.